Before we talk about the tax season, which is now upon us, I know RSVP has been around for a while, and for those who may not know what you guys are and what you do year round, explain what RSVP is all about.
RSVP is an organization that's federally funded to recruit seniors that are at least 55 years of age to volunteer in the community. And we partner with nonprofits and help them find volunteers.
Been around for a long time. How successful is the program?
We are not so much since the pandemic. We're closing at the end of April permanently.
Oh, is that right? I did not know that.
Yeah, we are. We've closed our Rogers office, and this is our last tax season.
Wow. So what happened there? Just the volunteers went away?
It was kind of a perfect storm. We haven't been able to really recruit volunteers. Seniors are really hesitant to volunteer given the health situation. They did funky things with our grants. They changed the reporting times to the middle of tax season, which doesn't seem like something we could do. The match had gone to a pretty high level that we weren't going to be able to meet, but we're down to below 300 volunteers, and we've usually averaged 900 to 1,200 over time. So it's time to go.
Just another casualty of COVID. All right, let's talk about what you guys do as far as the free tax service is concerned. Who is eligible and how does this work?
All right. We have 2 grants from the IRS. The first one is called a VITA grant, and it allows us to help families whose incomes are less than $60,000 a year. And then we have a TCE, or a tax counseling for the elderly grant, and we can help people that are 60 years, as long as one person in the family is 60 years of age or older, regardless of their income. So last year we did about 4,000 returns.
How easy is it to get this done?
We have started off this year pretty slow. There's been no waiting. The paperwork that you fill out in advance has been available outside our doorways. And you can pick that up, and it's got a flyer in there that gives you the hours and the times and what you need to bring. So other than that, we've been just pretty much zipping along when people show up.
How beneficial is this to those who really need this?
It's a savings of at least $275 a return. Who it's really valuable to are people that are going to have to pay. They may not have the fund, don't have a refund coming. And that's what people usually use to pay a paid preparer. And so if you owe money, you can go ahead and stay even with the IRS by filing, and then they'll work with you on getting your money. But they're really particular about you filing every year.
For those who take advantage of this program, and now that you're going to be gone after this tax season, is there anything like this anywhere else?
We're not the only free service that's out there. AARP Tax Aid is also available. So it's not like we're leaving them high and dry. There'll be other things available.
All right, so what do they need to do? Just come to the office and bring everything with them?
We keep all our paperwork that they need to fill out in advance in bins outside our doorways. You can come by 24/7, pick the paperwork up, and I really suggest you do that and take it home, fill it out, make sure you got everything you need to bring back, and come on back, and we'll get you in and out of here pretty quick.
And that's the other thing is you really have to bring everything on that list, or the process just can't get started.
No, and the thing people most often don't have is their Social Security card. We can't take Xeroxes or pictures or anything like that. We have to have actual Social Security cards for everybody that's going to be on the return. Now, if you've got a W-2 that's on your phone or on your email account, we can help you print those there. So that isn't a concern. We can help you take care of that.
It's absolutely free. I just can't imagine those who don't want to do this or not take advantage of it.
Well, there's some people we're not allowed to help with certain types of tax returns. Farmers are one, but there's an awful lot of people we could help. I think last year we did over 4 million in refunds, so has a big community impact.
Absolutely. Susie, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, I can't imagine a life without RSVP.
Well, there will be other organizations that pick up the slack.